Kitchen Remodeling Madison Heights is a transformative process that can elevate the heart of your home. Our Madison Heights kitchen renovation services offer comprehensive solutions, including cabinet refacing, countertop installation, and backsplash design. Whether you're looking for a complete kitchen overhaul or specific upgrades, our team is here to assist. Custom cabinetry is a cornerstone of any kitchen renovation. In Madison Heights, our custom kitchen cabinets are designed to fit your unique style and space requirements. From traditional to modern designs, our Kitchen Remodeling Madison Heights solutions enhance both functionality and aesthetics, ensuring your kitchen stands out. Countertop installation in Madison Heights, MI, is a crucial aspect of kitchen remodeling. Our experts provide a wide range of materials, from granite to quartz, ensuring durability and style. With our Kitchen Remodeling Madison Heights services, your kitchen will not only look stunning but also withstand the test of time. Flooring upgrade is another essential component of kitchen renovation. In Madison Heights, we offer a variety of kitchen flooring options, including hardwood, tile, and eco-friendly materials. Our flooring solutions are designed to complement your kitchen's design while providing long-lasting performance. Kitchen lighting solutions in Madison Heights are vital for creating the perfect ambiance. Our Remodeling Madison Heights solutions include task lighting, ambient lighting, and accent lighting, ensuring every corner of your kitchen is well lit and inviting. Proper lighting enhances both functionality and mood. Appliance installation in Madison Heights, MI, is handled with precision and care. Our team ensures that all appliances are installed correctly and efficiently, from refrigerators to ovens. With our appliance installation services, your kitchen will be equipped with the latest technology for optimal performance. The Kitchen Remodeling Madison Heights is a popular choice for homeowners looking to add functionality and style. Our kitchen island designs offer additional workspace, storage, and seating, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen layout. Open-concept kitchen designs in Madison Heights are increasingly popular for their spacious and airy feel. Our open-concept kitchen Madison Heights services focus on creating a seamless flow between the kitchen and adjacent living areas, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Kitchen storage solutions in Madison Heights, MI, are designed to maximize space and organization. Our storage solutions include custom cabinetry, pull-out shelves, and innovative storage accessories, ensuring every item in your kitchen has its place.